For the past 35 years, AME has assembled the world's largest gathering of lean practitioners.
First-time attendees come up to me and say, "Where has AME been all my life?" These conferences are amazing.
I'm excited to lead the 36th annual AME International Conference in Toronto.
If lean is part of your company, it's a great conference to come to.
This is such an exciting place to be there, full of energy and passion.
It's inspiring to see so many folks from so many different industries. I love it.
Companies are ever evolving, so learning tips, tricks, best practices is really important. AME will be in Toronto in 2020, and our theme is Energize Your Journey. We're going to have keynotes, tours, workshops, breakout sessions, more practitioner learning, awesome networking opportunities, and so much more.
I've been wanting to come to AME for a long time. It's just about igniting that spark and really taking lean head on and getting excited about continuous improvement.
My subject in Toronto is executing on a strategy that requires a high degree of human engagement. There's some things you can improve through process improvement. There's other things that are not going to happen without a lot of human buy-in. That's what the 4 disciplines of execution is based on.
Our lean journey started back in 2004. Altogether More Powerful is our approach. It's highlighting the importance of working together as a team, collaborating, and solving problems.
When I started, the plant was organized chaos. Some of the biggest benefits we've seen 5 as an organization. There's homes for everything. Also, the culture has improved greatly, and it helps to make their life easier, and often it helps make the company more profitable.
The AME conference is a great venue to see other facilities and meet other lean practitioners. We're very looking forward to that.
Really excited to be a stop. Can't wait to share what we've learned with everybody else.
The transformation began at Shawcor several years ago. It was called the Shawcor manufacturing system, and it was primarily implemented in our operations areas of the business. We started to transition from the Shawcor manufacturing system into the Shawcor management system, which meant we were implementing lean tools across the entire enterprise.
I don't think it ever stops. And AME brings that type of view of it's not a one-off, it's a long-term journey, and if you measure it, you will achieve an outcome.
We are absolutely looking forward to being a tour stop to share some of the great things that we've done, but also to have fresh eyes in our facility to tell us some of the things that we could be doing better and actually tell us how.
Always good to show off.
One of the things you see with AME right away is they've got a passion around what they're doing, and there's an energy about this place.
You're never complete, you're never done. Lean is a process. Be bold enough to experiment.
I'm going to AME 2020. I can't wait, it's going to be awesome.
Can't wait to see you all in Toronto.
Energize your journey in Toronto.
AME Toronto 2020 is going to be great.
See you in Toronto!